For each n, let R sub n be the region bounded by y equals 3x minus 4, x equals n, and y equals 0. Define the sequence A sub n by A sub n, the volume of a solid with base R sub n, and cross sections parallel to the y-axis that are rectangles with height h of x equals 1 over x cubed. We want to find the limit as n approaches infinity of A sub n. Let's first draw this out. So this is y equals 3x minus 4. So y-intercept at negative 4. And then when we set this equal to 0, we get x-intercept at 4/3. And we want the right boundary to be x equals n. So clearly, that's going to be past the intercept. So we have the upper bound is 3x minus 4. Lower bound is y equals 0, and then right bound is x equals n. So it's going to look like this. So these rectangles are parallel to the y-axis. And so the base of R sub n is in this interval from 4/3 to n. So this is going to be the base. The base depends on the height of 4x minus 3. So this is a three-dimensional object. Right now, the base is just going to be 3x minus 4 minus 0, which is 3x minus 4. And the height is given to us as y equals, or h of x equals 1 over x cubed. So the area is the base, which is 3x minus 4 times the height, which is 1 over x cubed, to get 3x minus 4 over x cubed. And then we're going to integrate x from 4/3 to n. That's right here. And then integrating it, we get negative 3x to negative first power plus 2 times x to negative second from 4/3 to n. Plug it in. Plug in n first, minus plug in 4/3. We simplify the negative 3 over n plus 2 over n squared stays the same. But then we have negative 3 divided by 4/3 becomes negative 9/4. And then 4/3 squared is 16 over 9, which 2 over 16 over 9 becomes 9 over 8. And then we can simplify that and get negative 3 over n plus 2 over n squared plus 9 over 8. Finally, we can take the limit as n approaches infinity. Both the first two terms go to 0. And then we end up with 9 over 8 as our final answer. So that's going to be the limit of the volume sequence.